Beautiful people, so today I'm going to show you guys this stretched out rod set. Now I remember seeing this in one of my cosmetology books, but I couldn't find it when I went to go look back for it. But I also saw it on Pinterest, and I'll show y'all that pin right here, but I never saw the results of it, so I want to go ahead and redo this and see what it would look like at the end. So what we're going to use today is some water, a wide tooth comb, a red tail comb, some setting lotion. I like to put it in this like foam bottle. That's just me. And some rods and some rollers. Now, my mannequin is freshly washed. Well, not freshly washed, but was washed and conditioned. But procrastination. She's been sitting there. She's dry now, so I use my water bottle. Even if she was still freshly like washed, I would still use my water bottle, just depending on your client's hair, your hair texture. Your hair might dry super quickly, or your hair might stay wet for a while. So I always like to have a spray bottle just in case. So right now I'm putting on the setting lotion and I'm combing it through with the fine tooth comb. Make sure y'all hit that subscribe button and bell button real quick. But yeah, I'm just combing it through with the fine tooth comb. I say it depends on the hair texture if you use the wide tooth or the fine tooth. Of course, this mannequin's hair is straight. It's not feeling a thing. So I'm just going to use the fine tooth comb to put this product through the hair. If the texture is more coarse and curly, you want to make sure you're using your fingers or a wide tooth comb to distribute that product. But now I'm about to show you guys. Okay then, Mel. Thank you. I'm about to show you guys how to know how much hair to part. So basically, you're just gonna sit your roller on whatever part you're about to part, and that's as much hair as you need. You can go smaller than that part, but don't do more, because it's gonna cause crease in the hair. You do not want that. So I'm just sitting here and I'm parting the amount of hair I'm gonna need. Like I said, it doesn't have to be as big as the roller, but you want to make sure that it's going to fit into the roller. Then I'm just going to take my finger and pull that hair through the roller. This would be a good little hairstyle if you're trying to stretch your hair, or you don't want to kind of look like a 5-year-old, but you want curly hair, but not like I don't know how to explain it. Y'all know when y'all sometimes get y'all hair like rod or rolled, it looks kind of weird because you look like you're 5 with all those curls. This is a good like stretched out at the roots, but still give you the curl that you want on the ends. So that's basically what I'm doing here, making sure that I'm rolling that hair. And if you need to, use your use your perm papers. My end papers I did not need because this mannequin's hair is about the same length all around, except for in the front. Y'all know the story if y'all been here. My little cousin, when she was a little bit younger, wanted to be like me and wanted to cut the mannequin's hair. And obviously, this is not the mannequin I wanted her to cut, because this is my long hair mannequin. This is the one I like to do long hairstyles on, or hairstyles that I just need a little extra hair to create. And she cut a little bangs in there. Which y'all see what I'll do in the front. So if you also have like bangs in the front of your hair and you like, oh, I really want to try this, but what do I do with my bangs? I'm gonna show y'all. Just continue to watch. So also wanted to show you guys this, but not like super speed it up really fast where y'all couldn't see what I was doing. Also, I need to work on my camera angles, y'all. It was like 2:00 in the morning when I was doing this. I only stayed up. Y'all only got this video because I was up to try to watch the Loki that morning. And I was like, okay, well, while I'm up, trying to wait for 2:00 in the morning so I can watch the Loki, I'll film this video. And it was either you guys get slightly, partially obstructive view footage, or y'all got no lights. Because it's kind of hard to set my light in a way where y'all could see it, especially since I'm right there by my whiteboard. Y'all know the white areas will throw the lighting off in the video. So I was like, okay, it's either lights or slightly obstructive view from footage and my camera trying to focus on my elbow that's ashy that I didn't realize was ashy, but it was ashy. Um, but yeah, I'm basically doing the same thing over the entire head. Also, did not cut a lot of stuff out of here just because I realized lately that I really, 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 really love watching people do hair videos and hair tutorials. It is so calming. I can sit and watch people flat iron other people's hair and braid other people's hair for hours. I enjoy it so much. I don't know about y'all, but I enjoy it so much. It brings a peace and a calm to me that I didn't know was possible. But I just love sitting and watching people like do other people's hair. And I think that's how I really got into wanting to be a cosmetologist, to be honest. Like, I used to watch the Style channel a long time ago. Like, it's not even a channel anymore. But I used to watch stuff like Split Ends. Is that the one that they used to switch like salons? I don't know. I used to watch a lot of like Jersey Licious, Split Ends, LA Hair. I loved anything that had to do with people doing hair. Like, I could watch those shows for hours. So I used to watch the Style channel all the time because they had like famous celebrity stylists doing hair on that station, and I could watch it for hours. That's what really made me want to be a hairstylist, because I just love the thought of like doing people's hair. That I wasn't gonna tell y'all that, but I thought about that as I was thinking like, why do I really love sitting and watching people do hair for hours? That's where it started. I used to watch Style TV and watch people do hair, and that just brought me so much joy. And that's why I decided I want to go to cosmetology school. Ooh, I forgot. That was a memory that was locked back. Like, it was in there. I forgot all about that into this moment. Whoa. So you're going to continue, yes, even if you have bangs, just continue to do it like this. And like I said, I will show you guys what we're going to do in a second for this hairstyle. So this is how it looks, guys, just coming out. Like, this is just the roller set. I thought that was, look, it just brings me joy looking at this. Okay, guys? So awesome, huh? I want to see this on a real person's hair. Everybody that I've seen this on has been a mannequin. Ooh, who got some really long hair? Ooh, and I was watching In the Heights. So this was the next day. So the first day I was watching Loki while I was doing it. This day was the next day after I let it dry. Because y'all know it was like 2 or 3 o'clock in the morning. Everybody was asleep. So I had to I set it on the dryer for like 30 minutes, but then I let it air dry the rest of the day. So this is the next day, and I decided to watch In the Heights while I was taking it down. It's one of my favorite movies, y'all. I love it. It brings me so much joy. I don't know what it is about musicals, but I also like musicals. I love musicals. Like, they make me so happy. I hate that I cannot sing, but whew. Okay, so take that fine tooth comb and comb it down. And that's because you when you're drying it, is of course the hair is sticking straight up, so it's gonna want to go in that direction because it was dried in that direction. So I'm just taking the comb just to kind of soften that up so it can lay down. But yeah, that's all we're gonna do right here, because like I said, I had never seen this hairstyle done. So I'm like, as I'm taking it down, and I'm just trying things. I'm just using what I know to figure out how I'm gonna style this. Because I could have did all this, and when I got ready to take it down and style it, it could have looked a mess. It could have been terrible. Like, I don't know. I've never done this before. I didn't know how this was gonna look once I got everything done. But you guys will see in a second. You'll see in a second. I won't mind doing this again. Will I have to? I might do this again. I might do like a different size roller, or I might do like the short. I will have to go buy some more. Y'all know there's like the half pieces of these rollers. For like when you have like just little sections, you might need like literally a half a roller for a section. They have those. I have some of them, but not enough to do an entire head. So I would have to go order some more. of just the half rollers. So there's not as much stretched out part. And it will be like more curled, but still stretched out on the ends. Ooh, that might be really good to do. I need like a long hair 4C mannequin that I can do this style on, so I can see how it's gonna look on hair texture like mine. I would do my hair, but my hair need cutting. It's also really hard for me to do my own hair in rollers ever, ever. I'm just like my hair texture for me personally is not the one that I can do roller or rod sets on, because I get so frustrated trying to do them on myself. Now other people, I love doing like roller sets and rod sets and flexi rods on other people with 4C and 4B hair, but not myself. It takes a kind of patience I don't have to do on my own head. Like, I just want to be done. I just want to snap my fingers and have my own hair done, okay? But I love spending time in other people's hair. I don't know how that works. That's probably why I'm a hairstylist, though, because I like doing other people's hair, not my own. That's why my hair ain't done right now, y'all. I literally started braiding my hair in the front like 3 weeks ago and still haven't finished. The front is the only part that's done. Like, I have 2 braids in the back and that's it. By the time I'm gonna have to start over. I already know I'm gonna have to start over, but I'm trying to get some other stuff done first before I start over. Like I said, we're just gonna continue on with this taking down, combing the top part only, because I just wanted to see how it was gonna look before I went in and finger combed it. Just because I really like to finger comb curls just to see how they're gonna look. I like them a little fluffier. And also, y'all seen me do roller sets and rod sets on this mannequin before. Y'all see me talking to my sister. She called me to tell me about how one of her kids' parents found a Cricut at Walmart for like $150. And I got really excited because I've been looking for a Cricut for cheaper. And y'all know I do not leave the house. We just gonna be honest. I do not leave the house. But that day I was like, okay, let's go real quick. We're gonna go run to this Walmart real quick, see if they have it. If not, we leave and we coming back to the house. We went. I thought I was gonna get it. I just knew I was gonna get it, and no, they didn't have it anymore. I was so sad. So I'm still on the hunt for one. Okay, so I'm gonna show you guys what we're gonna do real quick. To fix some of these like parts in the hair, add some oil sheen, just because you want it shiny. You can also add some what's that, hairspray. I did not do it this time because I just wanted to see what it was gonna look like on its own. I think I lost. Oh, I did leave lost my place. I'm not starting this voiceover over, so oh well. So right now I'm about to flat iron some of those parts just to make it a little bit more smoother and flatter, and kind of get some of those parts out of the hair. But also, let's go back. So y'all know I've done roller sets and rod sets on this mannequin before. Sometimes the curls hold and sometimes they don't. Sometimes when I get ready to like style them, this mannequin just does not hold curls as tight as my other mannequins, but this is the only one that has the hair length to create some of the styles that I'm trying to create. So it's like I'm like I just can't win. Like, I can't win. I either get the length or I get the hold. So most times I have to just go with this one just so y'all can see what it could look like. Because some of my other mannequins' hair is just too short. I realized the other day when I was going back through pictures, I had a mannequin that had a good little length. It was like right there in the middle, a little bit longer than my hair length, that would be good for roller sets, and I have no idea where she is. I don't know if I cut that mannequin. I don't know if she just gone. I don't know. But basically that's what I'm doing, guys. Just taking this flat iron And flat iron the hair. I feel like this whole little section gonna be like, what is she talking about? She's like all over the place. I know. I'm not re-recording this, okay? It is what time? It is 1:40 in the morning. I'm not re-recording this. So if you have bangs, I'm showing y'all what to do right now. Just basically curl it under, not really tight though, not super tight, but like give it a little flip into the rest of the hair. Especially if you put some oil on it, it should blend in a little bit better and a little bit more. You don't have to be, or you can just put your bangs in the front if you want to, but as y'all can see, it blends in quite well because she's cut on both sides. She's just cut more on that one side. So this is how it looked before I brushed it out. Y'all can keep her like that if y'all want to wear her for a few days. But me, I'm just going to add a little oil sheen to my hair and my hand, not my hair, my hand, and just comb it, brush it out with my fingers. Just because I just want to see what she would look like. I slightly like her brushed out just a little bit, only because it does break up those lines of demarcation where she was stretched out versus where she was curled. But I also like the curl, how the curl looked before I brushed them out. But either way, it's up to y'all. Because I know some people who literally come in and get like roller sets when they go to the beauty shop and will be like, don't style them, leave them like that. And you know, it's up to you because it's your hair, you pay for it. Some people just like to leave it like that because they're gonna try to roller wrap it, or they want their curls to last a lot longer, so they try to let them sit in that style for a little while longer. So yeah, basically this is what I did, and then I turned her upside down and kind of like teased her a little bit with a brush just to give her a little volume in the back, up in that center part. I love it. I really want to recolor her, guys. So this was before we brushed it. These are the curls before. I really love that too. And this was the curls after. So which ones do you guys like better, the before or the after? And will you try this? If you try this, especially if you have natural hair, if you try this, tag your girl. I want to see it. I want to see it. Make sure you hit that subscribe button, that like button, and share my videos, guys, please. I'm trying to get to 1,000 subscribers already. Until next time, peace out. Much love. Oh, and go watch my other video. I dropped 2 today.